Sofia, Bulgaria's vibrant heart and one of Europe's most underrated capital cities. If you haven't heard much about it, you're not alone. But trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be adding Sofia to your travel bucket list. This city has a history as rich as its culture. Originally settled by the Thracians over 7,000 years ago, it later became a key Roman city known as Serdika, a favorite of Emperor Constantine the Great, who famously said, "Serdika is my Rome." Through Ottoman rule and Bulgarian liberation, Sofia has emerged as a city where history and modernity collide in the best way possible. From ancient Roman ruins to hipster cafes, from golden-domed cathedrals to the mighty Vitosha Mountain, Sofia is a place where the past and present seamlessly blend. So let's dive in and discover why Sofia is Bulgaria's ultimate capital gem. Sofia isn't just another European capital. It's one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world, dating back over 7,000 years. That means every cobblestone, every corner, and every building has a story to tell. Picture this. You're sipping coffee at a trendy cafe, and just a few feet away, you're looking at actual Roman ruins. It's like walking through a history book, only with better coffee and Instagram-worthy views. No trip to Sofia is complete without standing in awe before the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. This isn't just any cathedral. It's one of the largest Orthodox cathedrals in the world. With its golden domes, stunning mosaics, and cavernous interior filled with flickering candlelight, it's a masterpiece of Neo-Byzantine architecture. Fun fact, it was built to honor the Russian soldiers who helped liberate Bulgaria from Ottoman rule. Talk about a historical heavyweight. Okay, let's talk about something that makes Sofia truly unique: Vitosha Mountain. Imagine stepping out of a buzzing city and in just 30 minutes, finding yourself surrounded by nature. Whether you're hiking in the summer, skiing in the winter, or just taking in the jaw-dropping city views, Vitosha is Sofia's natural playground. Oh, and the air? Crisp, clean, and absolutely free. Sofia isn't just a city, it's a time capsule. One of the coolest spots to see this is Serdika, the ancient Roman city buried right beneath Sofia's streets. Yep, you can literally walk over a glass-covered section of history while shopping or waiting for the metro. The ruins date back to the 2nd century AD and include remnants of Roman streets, bathhouses, and even an amphitheater. So next time you're walking through Sofia, remember, there's another city right below your feet. If you're looking to add a touch of class to your Sofia adventure, then the Ivan Vazov National Theater is your spot. Not only is it the most prestigious theater in Bulgaria, but the building itself is pure architectural eye candy. Even if you don't understand a word of Bulgarian, catching a performance here is a magical experience. Plus, the surrounding park is a great place to relax and people watch. Now let's talk food, because you can't truly experience Sofia without tasting Bulgaria's culinary delights. Start your morning with a slice of banitsa, a flaky pastry filled with cheese that pairs perfectly with Bulgarian yogurt. For lunch, a shopska salad, a mix of tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and white cheese, will keep things fresh. And dinner? You can't go wrong with grilled kebapche and a shot of rakia. Just a heads up though, Bulgarians take their rakia seriously, so sip it like a pro. Whether you're into underground speakeasies, jazz clubs, or hipster cafes, Sofia has something for everyone. The city's nightlife is buzzing and the coffee culture, next level. Bulgarians know how to make a mean cup of coffee, and you'll find some of the coziest cafes hidden in charming courtyards. Whether it's day or night, Sofia knows how to keep things interesting. Wondering when to visit? Honestly, there's no bad time to see Sofia. Spring and summer are perfect for exploring the city and hiking Vitosha. Autumn paints Sofia in golden hues. And winter? Think cozy cafes, snowy cathedrals, and some epic skiing. No matter when you come, Sofia will surprise you in the best way possible. So there you have it. Sofia, Bulgaria's capital gem. A city of history, nature, and a whole lot of character. Have you been to Sofia, or is it now on your bucket list? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more travel adventures. Until next time, it's your girl Shalom. Happy exploring.